Hello children. Let's start question number 16, third of exercise 18. We need to prove that 1 plus 10a whole square plus 1 minus 10a whole square is equals to 2 sec square a. So I'm going to start from LHS. Already I have done it. I'm just showing you. LHS was 1 plus 10a whole square plus 1 minus 10a whole square. Okay. Now we may consider it as a plus b whole square plus 1 minus b whole square. So I have written a square plus b square plus 2ab. Similarly, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the number is like this: 1 plus 10 square a plus 2 10a, and here 1 plus 10 square a minus 2 10a. Now when we will see whole equation, here is plus 2 10a and here is minus 2 10a, so both are cancelled. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 10 square a and 10 square a both are like terms, so this will become 2 10 square a. Now I have taken 2 as common, so inside the bracket there is 1 plus 10 square a. Okay, and we know that 1 plus 10 square a is equals to sec square a, so I have written 2 into sec square a, and that was our RHS. This is verified. Children, I hope till now you have memorized all the formulae. Then only you will enjoy solving these sums. And you haven't memorized and just copying all the formulae from backside of notebook or from book, then you are just wasting your time. So it's my request, before doing practice for these sums, you memorize the formula. If you want to see the proof, go through my videos, see the proof, and then memorize, and then start practicing the sums. Okay, then only you will enjoy mathematics learning, otherwise no. Question number 16, 4 sub question, fourth one. We need to prove that sec square a plus cosec square a is equals to sec square a into cosec square a. Let's see. So I have started from LHS. Just complete the equation from LHS. Sec square a plus cosec square a. Converted sec square a into 1 by cos square a and cosec square into 1 by sin square a. Okay, now take an LCM, that is sin square a into cos square a. So here is sin square a plus cos square a, because we have divided both sides, and we know that sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So 1 upon sin square a into cos square a. Again I cross checked that what we need to prove. Then I got the answer that 1 by sin square will become cosec square a and 1 by cos square will become sec square a. So we about to reach the answer. So I have separately written 1 by sin square a into 1 by cos square a, and instead of writing this I have written cosec square a, and instead of writing this I have written, first of all write down in place of this cosec square a, and then here is sec square a, and then you may rearrange the numbers, because 1 by sin is equals to cosec a and 1 by cos is sec a. So we reach to RHS and it is proved, and whichever entities you have used, mention here. Now see question number 19th, first sub question. Tan square theta minus sin square theta is equals to tan square theta into sin square theta. So I have started the sum from LHS. Tan square theta minus sin square theta, I have converted tan square theta as sin square theta by cos square theta, minus sin square theta as it is I have copied here. From both the places I have taken common sin square theta. So what is the remaining thing inside the bracket? Here is 1 minus cos square theta, and here is minus 1. Then sin square theta, I have taken the LCM, cos square theta, and here is 1 minus cos square theta. So sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta upon cos square theta. So sin square theta upon cos square theta means tan square theta, and as it is sin square theta is copied, and that was our RHS. So it is proved. 19th second sub question. Cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta minus sin square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta is equals to cos theta plus sin theta. We need to prove it. So from LHS I have started cos theta upon 1 minus tan theta. So I have written 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. I have changed tan theta into sin theta upon cos theta minus sin square theta cos theta minus sin theta as it is I have written. Then what I did, cos theta, and we are going to subtract it. So LCM is cos theta and here is cos theta minus sin theta. This part is solution of this one, okay? Minus sin square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Now this cos theta will multiply it with numerator, so I did it cos theta into cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta, and right side as it is I am just copying the numbers, sin square theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. Then I found that these both denominators are same, so I have taken as common, not common, taken LCM cos theta minus sin theta, and here it is cos square theta and here is sin square theta, so I have written that. Now what, here is a square minus b square, so once I will write cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta, and denominator is cos theta minus sin theta. So I did it. See, I have written cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta, and denominator already there was cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta minus sin theta both are cancelled. So the remaining thing is cos theta plus sin theta, that is equals to RHS. So it is proved. Bye bye children.